A very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all our alumni joined in from all over the world. I am extremely delighted to see our alumni joining us on this platform from India and abroad in large numbers and with great enthusiasm. My name is Wayne Pereira, alumnus of Production 2017.
And my name is Marina Fernandez, current third year student of IT.
And together we will be your host for this meet. On behalf of the Alumni Association of Father Concesa Rodriguez College of Engineering, it is our honor to welcome you all to the 32nd edition of the alumni meet of our college in our new virtual avatar.
Generally, this alumni meet is held as a physical event every year on the first Saturday of January. But however, due to the prevailing COVID situation, it is hosted virtually on today, the second Saturday of February. This also happens to be our highest attendance of the alumni meet in the last few years. Every year, the social gathering has been a platform to remember old memories and make new ones. As our memories grow old, the time has come to think back and relive the days when all appeared to be splendid and clear. Allow us to commend everyone for all that was and all that is.
This year, we celebrate the silver jubilee of the 1995 batch. It is an honor and a blessing for me to be among some of the finest minds this institute has ever produced. They trusted in their vision, led their own destinies, and today they have a strong impact in society. Today, we have alums joining us who have attained success in their respective fields and made the institute proud. And we want to thank you for making it here today on this virtual platform.
I would like to begin this event with a blessing of our local superior, Reverend Father Peter D'Souza. I welcome you and kindly ask you to say a few words of inspiration to the audience today.
Dear members of the alumni meet, I'm happy to connect with you. Alumni meet means reconnection or reunion. Well, today when I say members, it includes the management, the faculty, the staff, and all you, the past students of CRCE. Well, I'll take you back to your college days or CRC days. 3 or 4 years you spent over there. And I would like to connect you to the founder of CRC College, Engineering College, or the founder of Father Agnes Ashram Institutions, Father C. Rodriguez. Some of you must have dropped in out of curiosity to the ashram and have seen the tombstone of Father C. Rodriguez. And the words inscribed or written on the tombstone are, "My land and my people, it's all that matters." Well, Father C. Rodriguez was a nationalist, a patriot of Mother India. So therefore, he really meant his country, India. My land means my motherland. And my people means Indian people. Today, when we are in this pandemic times, I would say you would say the same thing, but slightly differently. You would say, instead of my land, our land. And instead of my people, our people. You know, my dear friends, this pandemic has left us disconnected. The WHO, World Health Organization, has been struggling to bring all the nations together. The first world countries have not given leadership. And we were really disconnected. These words of our founder, Father C. Rodriguez, are really inspiring, are taking us forward there's a message from our founder to these pandemic times. Of course, these words mean that we are one family and one world. This is written in our scriptures. It is also written very boldly in our Parliament House, Lok Sabha. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. All of us know it. But we pay lip service to it. And this is what has happened to this present world. I hope we have grown wiser after the pandemic. And we can contribute something as past students of CRC from the inspiring words from our scriptures and our founder, that these are all our people. This Mother Earth is our land. Today, of course, our special guest star or alumni people are jubilarians, those who are of the 1995 batch. 25 years is a long time in a lifespan of 70 or 80. I heard from Yuval Noah Harari that in another 10, 20 years, microbiology is going to make us live 150 years. I don't know who wants it, but this is going to be a reality soon. I may not live up to that time, but most of you will definitely enjoy 150 years. But you'll have more time to contribute, to bring solidarity in this world, to make this world one family and one land. Of course, you need not do much. Every day, morning and evening, if you say, of course, we have in India the saying, Bolo Subho Sham, Hari Ram, Hari Krishna. But you can just give your loving kindness vibration to all the people of the world. Just mentally, it's called Metta Bhavana or Mangal Maitri. Mentally, if you give them good wishes, if just 1% of the world gives good wishes to all the people of the world, this world is going to be one family soon, very soon. And we need it for the good of the world, for our betterment. I wish all of you a wonderful time during the meet. I heard you're going to have a lot of entertainment. Enjoy, savor the nostalgic moments of this alumni meet. Wish you all the best. May you all be happy, all be peaceful. Sabka mangal ho, sabki swasti mukti ho, sab sukhi ho.
Thank you for your blessings and your kind words, Father Peter.
I would like to request our director, Reverend Father Valerian D'Souza, to say a few words to the audience today.
Very Reverend Father Peter D'Souza, our local superior, Dr. Sirija Unnikrishnan, Principal of CRC, Dr. Iyer, former Principal of CRC, professors, faculty, staff, members of the alumni, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to address the alumni of CRC on the occasion of the virtual alumni meet 2021. We are glad to know that a good number of our students involved in various activities related to the projects of CRC. We are also proud of our ex-students who are doing extremely well in various walks of life. Like any other institution, CRC recognizes great talents and potentialities among the students who provide excellent services in their respective careers. All through the year, we exchange ideas and views among the students who are connected to us. We want this connect to take it to a different level, and so we appeal to our alumni to remain connected to the alma mater. CRC wishes to know from the alumni the various ways and avenues by which they can enhance the teaching learning process in the college so that right motivation and able guidance could be given to the students who are studying their respective branches. I appeal to the alumni to strengthen and support the ongoing student projects of great significance. We also appeal to the alumni to share their resources for the development of CRC during the coming years. CRC is forging ahead, considering the signs and the trends of the modern times. In order to be more relevant to the needs of the students and the industry, last year we have commenced ECS and mechanical engineering branches at CRC. During the current academic year, we have started artificial intelligence and data science branch. Some of the courses are already NBA and NAAC accredited. Some of our future plans. First, to provide more hostel facilities to our students. Second, to have a cell in the college for higher studies. Third, to have a satellite campus outside the BMC area. Fourth, to have permanent affiliation and academic autonomy. Fifth, to set up an incubation center at the institute. We are also in the process of setting up new center of excellence in computer science. We are aligning our curriculum to the latest pedagogical practices, emphasizing project-oriented learning and technologies for solving problems for the society. We hope to fulfill these plans with the support of our parents, ex-students, well-wishers, and all the stakeholders in the near future. I want to close with the story of an elderly grandfather talking to his young grandson. He said, "There are two wolves fighting inside you. One is selfish, angry, and careless. The other wolf is strong, compassionate, honest, and kind." The little boy asked him, "But Grandpa, who will win?" The grandfather replied, "Whichever one you feed. Feed the best in you. It is there and it is amazing." I wish to thank the alumni for their enthusiasm, support, and concern towards CRC. May God bless all your efforts.
Thank you, Father Valerian, for your wonderful thoughts.
Now, I would like to request our principal, Dr. Shrija Unnikrishnan, to address the audience.
Reverend Father Peter D'Souza, Reverend Father Valerian D'Souza, Dr. Sesha Iyer, the founder principal of CRC, HODs, deans, members of the staff, and dear alumni, a very warm welcome to all of you to this first online global CRC alumni meet, and a special welcome to the Silver Jubilee batch of 1995 Production Engineering, Electronics Engineering, and the first batch of Computer Engineering. Though we would have loved to welcome you all on campus, the positive side of this online meet is that our alumni across the globe could join. My compliments to the alumni committee for rising to the situation and organizing the meet in this new format. Now let me give you a brief update on CRC. We are currently offering 4 UG, 1 PG and 2 PhD programs. The UG programs are Computer Engineering with intake 120, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science with intake 60, started this year, that is 2020-21. Mechanical Engineering with intake 60, started last year, that is 2019-20. And Electronics and Computer Science with intake 60, again started last year. We have PG program in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in CAD/CAM and robotics, and 2 PhD programs in Mechanical Engineering and Electronics Engineering. I am glad to inform that this year our faculty Ms. Ketki Joshi received her PhD degree from CRC under Dr. Bhushan Patil our first PhD graduate. 6 more of our PhD students have submitted their thesis to University of Mumbai and are awaiting their defense. CRC figures in the top 300 engineering institutes of the country in the NIRF 2020 rankings. NIRF stands for National Institutional Ranking Framework and has been constituted by MHRD, Government of India. CRC has been consistently ranked high in prominent ranking surveys by Times of India, India Today, The Week, Education World, Careers 360, etc. Our institute is now accredited by NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. 3 of our UG programs are accredited by NBA, that is National Board of Accreditation, till June 2023. Final year pass percentage for the 2020 batch is 100%. With COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown, our academics, placement, co-curricular and extracurricular activities have shifted to online mode. In 2019-20, around 88% students were placed, including offers from 2 international companies. In the current year, as of date, 72% students are placed, 42 companies have visited the campus. Our flagship event, national level Father Conceição Rodrigues Memorial Debate, was held on Zoom platform with live streaming on YouTube in November 2020 with the theme Eminent Critic of Social Adiaphora. TEDx CRC's annual TED Talk series was broadcast on 7th November 2020 with the theme Shifting Gears. Our annual hackathon, Unscript 2020, again held online, got an overwhelming response with teams from across the country. 48 teams for the regular event and 30 teams for the Rookies Hackathon for second year students. Student chapters, both technical and non-technical, have adapted to the new normal and are holding online events. I would like to specially mention about IIC FRCRC, Institutions Innovation Council, formed as per MHRD guidelines to create an ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship on campus. The council was ranked 5th out of 159 colleges in the Western region and received 4.5 stars certification in the year 2019-20. We have received lot of support from alumni in IIC activities. We wish to take this ahead and build an incubation center on campus, facilitating student startups. CRCites continue to make their mark in national and international arenas. In the national level, Smart India Hackathon 2020, organized by MHRD, Government of India, our 2 teams bagged the first position for problem statements from Power Ministry and Cisco. Team Vayushastra was ranked 9th globally in the advanced class category of SAE Aero Design East competition held at Florida, USA in March 2020. Team Abadas all-terrain vehicle bagged All India rank 5 at SAE Baja 2020. Team Formula Racing was ranked 25th out of 90 participating teams in Formula Bharat 2020 held at Kari Motor Speedway, Coimbatore. Team Robocon qualified stage 1 of Robocon 2020 with AIR 11. All the teams, undeterred by the lockdown conditions, are preparing for the 2021 competitions in full steam. Many individual students have made CRC proud by winning prizes at intercollegiate level hackathons, technical, sports, debates, and cultural contests. Hope all of you have registered on Alma Connect CRC alumni portal. Prachi probably posts all major events and achievements on the same. CRC is proud of its alumni excelling in diverse fields. We look forward to your support and cooperation in taking CRC ahead. Do keep in touch with us and see how best you can connect with the Institute. Thanks and best wishes to all of you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind words.
We all miss college, and what is an alumni meet without giving you the nostalgic feeling of being back in your old college where so many memories were made? Since we can't actually be there physically and walk around the campus, sit on Euphoria stairs, run down the corridors, or sit on your classroom benches, we have tried our best to capture little corners of FRCRC to refresh your memories. So enjoy the views of your old college.
Many walked in here empty-handed, however, none of them walked back empty. Father Conceição Rodrigues started a movement of affordable technical education with an orphanage and trade school in carpentry. From this humble beginning, this movement has grown into a universal family which caters to a full-fledged school, industrial training centers, polytechnic and engineering colleges with postgraduate levels, along with a school of management which has spread across the country with large technical educational complexes at Vashi in Navi Mumbai, Bandra in Mumbai, Varna in Goa, New Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, Ambernath and Pune. Every center has a unique distinction of having an orphanage where needy orphans of all age groups are housed, clothed, fed and educated free of cost till they find a suitable profession and settle in life. The Father Agnel Technical Complex was founded in June 1957 in the Land's End neighborhood of Bandra on BJ Road. The ashram was started with the aim of fostering love and understanding among the people of the nation through the use of education and charity. In 1960, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, visited the Father Agnel Technical Complex. The complex houses the Father Agnel Bal Bhavan, where orphan boys are given shelter and education till they can stand on their own feet. It provides training in trade center, ITI certificate or a diploma in polytechnic. I would like to quote, "From little acorns grow mighty oaks." This has been the story of Father Agnel Technical High School and Junior College. This school was established when the nation was in its peak and industrialization was the need of the hour. It was then that the fathers of the Agnel Ashram came forward to establish a technical high school in 1961 with the aim of instilling in our students the love for technology. The school is partially funded by the Agnel Fathers and partially aided by the BMC. In 1965, Father Agnel Private Industrial Training Institute was founded as an extension of the Father Agnel Technical High School, with the aim of providing the industry with skilled craftsmen. The training given to the students is to make them readily acceptable in the industry and develop self-confidence to improve their employment potential. In 1969, the Agnel Technical College was incorporated with a course in Diploma in Production Engineering, inaugurated by Srimati Indira Gandhi. It was started with the mission to develop each student to be a complete person, guided by a value system drawn from a strong, confident and lucid attitude, nurtured by the knowledge of self and surroundings, and projected by the larger perspectives of society and the environment. In the same year, the Community Polytechnic College was established as a non-formal vocational section of the Father Agnel Technical Complex, with a name to contribute to a social cause starting with Mumbai. Its roots have now spread to 16 different centers in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The college develops both soft and hard skills to all the sections of the society, majorly to help tribal and the underprivileged get a source of livelihood. The Father Agnel Technical Complex got a new addition in 1984, Father Conceição Rodrigues College of Engineering, which was established with the vision that CRC will be the center of excellence in engineering education, molding engineers with state-of-art technology, innovative skills and human values matching with the growing expectations of the corporates and the society, and thus play an effective role in nation building. The college is named after its late founder, Reverend Father Conceição Rodrigues. The college was started with only one course of production engineering with an intake capacity of 60 students. 3 years later, in 1987, a course in electronics was started with an intake capacity of 60 students. In 1991, a course of computer engineering was started with an intake capacity of 30 students, and in 2000, it was doubled. In 2001, the course on information technology was started with an intake capacity of 30 students, which later was doubled to 60 students. Looking at the rapidly changing face of technology and society, FRCRC in 2020 decided to incorporate courses of artificial intelligence and data science and mechanical engineering, each with an intake of 60 students, replacing the information technology and production engineering degrees previously offered. The previously offered electronics discipline was also phased out to make way for the new electronics and computer science branch in 2019 to better address the job market and equip our students adequately to face the world. As witnessed over the years, CRC has a legacy to placing students in top companies worldwide. The students are a part of several enterprises globally, all the way from tech startups to multinational corporations, attracting inevitable salaries and providing a testament to core values and philosophies of this institute. A large number of students also opt for master's degrees, both in India as well as abroad. And many top engineering and business schools count CRCites among their students. FRCRC itself offers a competitive postgraduate program in mechanical engineering, as well as doctorate programs in mechanical and electronics engineering. The college is located at Bandstand Bandra in a scenic environment surrounded by the Arabian Sea. The college works towards its vision with experienced and dedicated staff, well-equipped laboratories, extensive computing facilities with campus-wide network. FRCRC has received wonderful rankings on various media and newspaper platforms like India Today, The Times of India, The Week, and The Education World. Various national and state level accreditations have been carried out by IRA and NRIF. Recently, in 2019, 3 of our departments, including production, electronics, and computers, were accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation, valid till 2023. The management, with a resolve to serve mankind, is proactive and committed to technical education. The focus is on holistic development of students with right balance of academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. One of the key contributing factors to the success of CRC students in the outside world is the Institute's focus on practical experience and training for students. Several of our students participate in national and international engineering competition, as well as hackathons and entrepreneurial competitions, winning multiple accolades and supplementing their classroom learning with practical experience. However, life at CRC is not all work. A typical academic calendar is dotted with a host of fun and engaging events such as interclass sports tournaments, debate competitions, technical fest, and Euphoria, the annual cultural fest of CRC. It is clear that what was once founded as an orphanage and a trade school in carpentry, under the inspiration and guidance of Father Conceição Rodrigues, has grown exponentially to become a mighty force that we are today. And as we look into the future, I can only say, the sky is the limit.
After attending online classes for so many months, this video gave me goosebumps and reminded me of all the silly moments I've had. I can only imagine the flood of memories it must bring back to our alumni.
Yes, indeed, it was a trip down memory lane. Very thrilled that I had a chance to see my college after almost a full year. Now, I would request the eclectic chairperson of the Alumni Association, Dr. Sapna Prabhu, to enlighten us on the current activities of the association and brief us about the annual report.
A very warm welcome to our local superior, Reverend Father Peter D'Souza, our director, Reverend Father Valerian D'Souza, our principal, Dr. Srija Unikrishnan, all our faculty, students, and ex-professors who have kindly consented to join us for the evening, and of course, our guests for today, our alumni. I'd like to give a special welcome to our batch of 1995 who complete their Silver Jubilee celebration, and we are here to felicitate them. I am Dr. Sapna Prabhu, and I am from the batch of 1992 electronics, which is the second batch of electronics. And unlike most of you, I stayed back, and I am currently the head of Department of Electronics and Computer Science. In my capacity as chairperson of the Alumni Association, I invite you to our first virtual alumni meet. As you may be aware, we have been conducting a physical meet every year religiously for the last so many years. But this time, obviously due to the pandemic, it was difficult. And we decided to convert this situation to our advantage and grab the opportunity to reach out to alumni across the country and also all those across the globe. We received an overwhelming response to our call, and we are extremely thankful to you for the same. You must agree that the 4 years of undergraduate at the engineering level is an immensely joyful time. It's a time that most of us will always remember for all the things that we did, for all the friends that we made, and for all the cramming, the assignments, the journal work, all of it. And it's a beautiful time. You can never replicate that time of 4 years. Even if you go ahead and do your master's, or even if you go ahead and do your PhD programs, it's just not the same. I hope that CRC has been able to affect you in some way and you carry good memories of our college. I am here to put forth in front of you the activities of the Alumni Association, and I hope you understand our vision and the work that we do. We had our first batch graduating around 1987, and we've been conducting an annual alumni meet every year from 1988. What you see here happen to be some of the memories that we have captured over the years of all the meets that were conducted. The vision of the Alumni Association is to create a community of alums which works towards the advancement of its alma mater. It's a very simple vision, and we are all working towards it and require your help for the same. The mission: to develop and strengthen ties between the alumni, students, and the institute by providing tangible benefits, including career services, networking opportunities, funding, as well as the opportunity to connect with and inspire our students and graduates. The roadmap of the Alumni Association primarily deals with to collaborate efficiently and make the most out of our alumni network. To do so, I would like to tell you that we have a portal called as Alma Connect, and I'm urging each one of you, if you have not already registered, to register yourself with us. We would like to complete our database with all your data so that we can connect effectively with you. So obviously, this shows you the possible goals of the Alumni Association. One is strengthening the alumni network. Secondly, helping in making students industry ready. And thirdly, any other way in which you can give back to the college. Ways in which this could work is something like this. We would like you to help us in possibly these ways. One of them happens to be to help our students by supporting them in certification and sponsorship. We would like to have your help in terms of technical as well as non-technical support to the various projects which students are doing. Probably help us in mentorship programs for promoting student startups and funding for projects as well as teams, as well as helping them in career counseling. Giving back to the college in any way, whether it comes to infrastructure development or any kind of project, etc. These are various avenues to name where you could help us, and we would really appreciate your help. Some of which is already happening. So we are having alumni participation, wholehearted alumni participation, I must say, in most of college activities in various capacities. So we've got alumni helping us by judging, being judges in various competitions in the college, whether it is a debate competition or whether it's hackathons, etc. They're members of our departmental advisory boards. They have been extremely good resource persons in various seminars, in FDPs, etc. We've been able to honor some of them by inviting them as dignitaries in various college festivals. And they've also been, instrumental in helping us to place students as well as provide internships to students. So most of this is already happening, but much more needs to be done. A glimpse of the events that were conducted by the Alumni Association in this pandemic year is, we had panel discussions, which again got an overwhelming response from present students. So we had this panel discussion, which basically spoke about promoting startup culture among students. We had another one wherein we talked about all the education opportunities abroad, and really the students appreciated these discussions and got a lot of inputs from their seniors. This is another, collage showing you all the possible councils in which the alumni have been involved, which is the TED, whether it's the entrepreneurship cell, whether it is for other talks, certifications, etc. We have them all available. Some notable contributions by our alumni. It is my duty to mention on record that we've got wonderful contributions by certain alumni. To mention a few, we have Mr. Suresh Balakrishnan of Production Batch 1995. Through his foundation, which is the Stulz Private Limited, he has been providing financial sponsorships to economically backward but needy students from the year 2018. And so far, his contribution has already helped around 40 plus students over these years. We've also had financial contributions from the batch of 1994 production, from the batch of 1991 production, and using these, the money that they were able to raise, we were able to improve certain infrastructure. This year, the Alumni Association also took upon themselves the job of refurbishment of the student gymkhana, as well as the girls and boys common room. Also, we have been trying to provide as much help as possible to the various project teams, a video of which you're going to be seeing a little later. So to put it in essence, I want to talk about how can any individual contribute. We are proposing a corpus fund. And by the corpus fund, we are requesting you to, kind of contribute towards this fund, which will be exclusively used for student projects or for student certifications or for registration towards conferences, etc. So purely being used for students and for co-curricular activities of students. We assure you that we are going to be providing complete transparency about how these funds are going to be utilized. We also would like you to contribute towards mentorship programs that we have for the technical teams and also towards startups. We're also looking at your help towards, helping students or guiding them by conducting seminars, etc. for career counseling. Of course, scholarships and sponsorships is another area where your help will be really appreciated. Just to give you a quick recap, there is a recent event which is coming up by TEDx CRC, which is the Internship Expo. And here is where you can probably help us. You can visit the institute and probably provide internships to our students. Now that's an area we're really looking out for your cooperation. All this obviously that is being done, and as I said, much more needs to be done, cannot be possible without the committee. I would like to introduce you to the committee of the Alumni Association. So this is the core committee of the Alumni Association with the support team. We are trying our bit. All of us are working professionals. It is not very easy, but we are trying our bit. And we would really appreciate if more of you can sign up for the same. I would also like to mention that we have an extremely dynamic student committee in place, which is, taking care of a lot of arrangements and activities. In fact, today's event is also a result of their hard work. I'd like to conclude by saying that connect today, transform tomorrow. It is not just our mission, it's our wish for you. We are available and you can connect with us at Alma Connect, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course our own college website. You would be seeing a link which is scrolling on the screen, which is probably the way in which you can, register with us. Please feel free to connect to us and help us out. We really appreciate, again, all of you for joining us today. We have an interesting evening lined up for you. I hope you have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Sapna ma'am. I'm sure our alumni are happy to hear all those wonderful achievements of their institute and our students. We look forward to creating an atmosphere of collaboration between the alums and its institute. After all, it was Mr. Narayan Murthy who said that nobody is bothered about an institution more than its alumni.
It is now time. It is now time to introduce one of the star alumni of FRCRC. She is not only a star for us, but a star on the global stage. The incredibly talented and charming Mrs. Shobna Chandramohan from the BE Electronics batch of 1991. Shobna is a fabulous singer, TV anchor, and radio jockey based out of Dubai. A fantastic performer and an MC with a witty, endearing style, Shobna has performed from all over the world in various exotic destinations, including Beijing, Bali, India, the Middle East, Africa, and America, with over 10,000 shows to her credit. She was the winner of Zee TV's Saregama International. Besides that, she has also been a well-known radio and TV presenter with her own breakfast show, a talk show, and various other TV shows to her credit. Presenting all the way from Dubai, the beautiful, the talented, and vivacious Shobna.
Hi everyone, thank you for that amazing intro, Wayne and Marina. Thank you very much for that. I'm so happy and so excited to be here. It's lovely. I just saw Father, then Principal Iyer, Shrija ma'am, there's Narayan sir, Sundari ma'am, of course Paresh and Sapna, and all of you, my CRC alumni. It's such an amazing experience. And by the way, that virtual college tour was such a great idea. Amazing. It just felt so nice to be able to see the college once again. Okay, so my name is Shobna and BE Electronics batch 1991. No. Don't start calculating my age over there. Okay, so we were the first batch of electronics in CRC, and more interestingly, the first batch of girls to step into the campus of Father Agnel's. That's right. 13 girls in that batch. I think we were 13 of us, and it was super. Of course, the kind of experiences we had, it was unparalleled. Okay, now, to begin with, it was the first time that the Father Agnel campus was seeing girls. There was ITI, all boys, and then there was production engineering, again, all boys. So there had been no girls until our batch walked in. So I remember that we could never go alone anywhere. Even to enter the campus at that 322 ka jo bus stop tha bandstand pe, we all had to wait at the bus stop until a few of us had gathered, and only then we could actually walk into the campus. And even on the campus, like agar kabhi bhi, water cooler jana hai ya toilet jana hai, we always had to go in groups. Talking about toilets and ladies' common room, that campus had nothing for girls until we had gone in there. So we had to take out a morcha to Principal Iyer's office almost every second day, third day, demanding कि हमें ladies' toilet चाहिए, हमें ladies' common room चाहिए, ladies' changing room चाहिए. But he was super sweet about it. And I think within a few months, gradually everything got sorted out. Like until then, the chemistry lab was our go-to place. I don't know why, probably because it was on the top floor in one corner, and the chemistry professor was like one teddy bear, we used to bully him and he used to just leave the lab and tell us, okay, you girls. So that used to be our common place. And I remember the first time the blue overalls, you remember first year mein jo pehante wo carpentry वगैरह के लिए, first time they arrived, we girls were so excited. We all rushed into the chemistry lab to change into it. और पता नहीं कैसे पूरे कॉलेज में ये खबर फैल गई. And all the boys, ITI से लेके production से लेके सारे engineering के लड़के, everybody was outside that chemistry lab waiting to see the girls in the blue overalls. The moment we opened our doors, that corridor was full of boys and they were all like cheering, laughing, clapping. मतलब हमारे एक के ऊपर scoring हो रही थी कि ये मतलब who's looking the best, who's carrying it off. It was something else. But yes, after that it just got better and better. Next batch, Sapna joined the college. उसका अगले batch में Paresh joined the college, and then things just went amazingly there. So such amazing memories. And what can I say? I believe Johan Mhatre is one of the students in the latest current batch in the college, and he's doing very, very well. So he happens to be my batchmate Rajesh Mhatre's son. So I can actually say that life has come a full circle. So wow, great to be here. And time now for me to move on to some entertainment. So some singing coming up next from me. So chale, stage pe chalte hain.
खैरियत पूछो कभी तो खैरियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन ये दिन जैसे 100 साल है अंजाम है ते मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है ये दूरियां फिलहाल है हो खैरियत पूछो कभी तो खैरियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है ओ दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है Moving on to a little peppy number. Let me hear some clapping, come on. Oh. ऐसे लहरा के वो रूबरू आ गई ऐसे लहरा के वो रूबरू आ गई धड़कने बेतहाशा धड़कने लगी धड़कने बेतहाशा धड़कने लगी तीर ऐसा चला जख्म ऐसा लगा तीर ऐसा चला जख्म ऐसा लगा चोट भी पे जो खाई मजा आ गया मेरे रश के कमर होए मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया बर्फ सी गिर गई काम भी कर गई आग ऐसी लगाई मजा आ गया मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया है हाँ बर्फ सी गिर गई काम भी कर गई आग ऐसी लगाई मजा आ गया हो क्या बात है चलिए अब थोड़ा सा रेट्रो की तरफ चलते हैं We have a lot of my old teachers, my principals. So this one is going out to all the lovers of retro music. You know this one. चुरा लिया है तूने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कभी बदल ना जाना सनम। बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाएंगे दिन कहीं से तमन्ना में। बाहर बन के आओ कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाएंगे दिन कहीं से तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो, हाँ मेरे हो, आज फिर कितना वादा करके जाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कभी बदलना जाना सनम। Now my final song for the set. नहीं ये बातें हैं पुरानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। आमा हरों का इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। लेट्स गो। ला 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 ला, zoo 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 zoo, पीले से इसमें नशा, जिसने पीना वो हमें भी हंसा, हमें हंसाए और हमें रुलाए कहानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। तुम तेरी थामा हरों का इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। Thank you.
Wow, 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 that was mesmerizing. I'm sure the audience would join me in thanking Mrs. Shobna for that beautiful and entertaining performance.
Vain, yeah, even current students are talented. Next up to entertain us with her singing is Sadia from second year Electronics and Computer Science. She is going to perform a Bollywood song, Kho Gaye Hum Kahan.
रूह से बातें हुई दुनिया इशारा दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से, खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहाँ, टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई इमारतें, मैं भी और तू भी है यहाँ, सोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के पन्नों पे नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहां, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहां, ओ, सो गई है ये सांसें सभी, अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी, फिसल जाए भी तो डरना कोई, रुक जाने की जरूरत नहीं, कागज के पर्दे हैं, ताले हैं दरवाजों पे, पानी में बहते हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहां, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहां, टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं, जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी और तू भी है यहाँ, सोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे, नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ,
Well, that was a lovely performance.
2020 was such a roller coaster and things haven't calmed down yet. But we have learned to accept the situation. It was difficult for the graduating batch of this year not getting to spend those last few special days in college, making memories to last a lifetime, being let out into the world to forge their own destinies. We have decided to give this batch something worth remembering. So please enjoy our recent students turned alumni coming together from all 4 branches to perform a special melody for their batch of 2020. Let us listen to Ryan, Christina, Chirayu and Simran performing.
तुम कितने अतरंगी हो ये कोई और नहीं जानता, तुम कितने अतरंगी हो ये कोई और नहीं जानता, इसलिए पूरी दुनिया मुझे है तेरा यार मान।
दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर, बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो रास्ता, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो रास्ता।
वो कहते हैं चाहत इंसान की कमजोरी है, वो कहते हैं चाहत इंसान की कमजोरी है, कोई इनको हमसे तो मिलाओ, वो समझेंगे ऐसा जरूरी थोड़ी है।
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों की सच कह रहा, तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम,
तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम।
Wow, that was a really incredible performance.